Here we come to the second elevator at McLean Gymnasium at Baylor University in Waco, Texas. This one's on Montgomery as well. I did not realize that they have two. Exactly the same like the other one. Interesting that they replaced the GAL button for the third floor. I really want to hear this chime. Looks like the button needs to be... I'm going to send it down one floor because I really wanted that. That is a GAL sounding chime. No, I unfortunately cannot. No, I can't. I cannot twist the button. Most of the Epico buttons, so you can twist it, but this one you can't. Here's your ADA foam. These are your fixtures. Exactly identical to the other one. Did I test the bumper already? It's got the old bumper. Watch it close. The directional lantern on this floor does not work. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.